Hey everybody, Crypto Mentor 99. How you doing? It is December 23rd, 2024, and I want to tell you about India's internet challenges, and I want to end with talking about Dabba network. I have a solution to India's massive internet challenges. Did you know that in India, approximately 5 to 6% of the country has access to internet connectivity? Let me say that again. In India, only about 5 to 6% of the entire population has access to the internet. Demand for data doubles roughly every 12 to 18 months. Potential customers are begging crypto startups like Dabba, who are willing to pay for their services to get internet, which is going to be safe internet, reliable internet, and fast internet. Now, let me tell you about Dabba. Dabba, I'm going to have all the information in the description part of the video, but as a potential investor, and again, you're going to have to do your own due diligence. For $199, you could buy one hotspot that upon token launch first quarter or so, some of the projections, again, not guaranteed, some of the projections are $500 to a couple $1,000s a month per hotspot. So I'm an investor in hotspots. I don't have to install anything in India. I don't have to go to India. I love India. I love the people. I love the food. I love the music. I love the culture. I'm not going to India. Dabba and the Dabba network and the team members have people on the ground hooking up these hotspots, okay? You could buy one hotspot. You could buy 5. You could buy 10. You could buy 1,000, okay? In the description box below, there's also a referral link. If after you doing your due diligence, you say, hey, I want to buy a hotspot, I would appreciate it if you use my referral link. That would help me. But the more I look into Dabba and the huge opportunity that exists in India that I'm just learning about now, because I take internet for granted. I take my Wi-Fi and my router for granted here in the United States. But in India, it's a whole nother situation as far as, again, only 5 to 6% of the country has access to internet. People are literally, will do, well, not anything for an internet connection, but there's 700 million. Did I say that right? 700 million people in India with no internet. 700 million, that's a huge opportunity. The demand is there. Dabba and Dabba Network are working on a solution. Why wouldn't you want to invest in at least one or more hotspots? That's your decision. Again, my referral link below, $500 to a couple thousand. That's a potential. It's not pie in the sky. Literally a ground floor opportunity. Handful of people are talking about on the internet. In the past week, I've had the honor and privilege to talk to 2 of the leaders on the team, and I'm all in on Dabba Network and what they're doing. Anyhow, that's the video. Crypto Mentor 99. Thanks for being part of my crypto family, and love y'all. Bye-bye.